Inhlangano laphana ebizwa nge-Labour Enforcement izolo eThekwini kungolwesine. Ike yathi kuba nengxoxo kancane namaphoyisa ngesizathu sokuthi bebafuna ukungena kwelinye ibhilidi laphana eThekwini ukukhishwa abantu bokufika. Ngazi noma ibhizinisi lelana noma kuyini impela. Ngoba kuthe ukuba nzinyana impela. Kwaba khona unga-understandani phakathi kwayo namaphoyisa. Namanje ngisayibuza ukuthi why kuba khona impikiswano mangabe kukhulunywa ngendaba efana nalezi. Ngoba le ndoda siyibonayo la ku video ikhulumisana namaphoyisa iyachaza ukuthi labantu laba abanamaphepha and bayaqhubeka nokusebenza futhi engathi basebenza ngento ewukudla. Manje bona babone esengathi abantu abaphephile ngokuthi laba abantu baqhubeke nokuthi banikeze abantu base South Africa izinto ezifana nokudla. Kodwa ke angeke ngikhulume kakhulu, ake siyibuke le video le uyizwele nawe ukuthi
not manje uzokwazi ukuthi
usizothatha lonke
so ngenzela ukuthi
kumphathi
futhi ukuthi akwenzekile umphathi ozobe failile ngifuna
sizothatha lonke unkulumo ngiyise kumphathi
uzoact mesifika sofika kusasa kuzobe kumphathi ofailile ngifuna sifumene la
alright
ukuthi station commander
singanqomela ukuthi kusasa angithi manje uzofika amtshela umphathi right umphathi uzokwenza ilokhuza planning manje ukuthi ne okay ama stakeholders are involved like immigration uzofanele
abana amaphepha bafutha kanti immigration yazo immigration immigration yasudinga udinga kubantu abanamaphepha khona bezo verify ukuthi labantu ngempela lamaphepha abanjani awekho fraudulent
even nabo
and ngichazele mfowethu okunye labantu abavumelekile ngiyawazi umthetho South Africa uthi umuntu osebenzayo ufika nesikhasikini kwakona ukuthi esilokhu sishonela le ukuba khona kwe foreign sithi la kule ndawo ekanje siya understand khona imisebenzi enziwe ibona kodwa sithi kulokho asikwazi
ukuthi bangene kwi-police cell siyabadinga abantu aba-immigration ukuthi basinikeze lokuthi no we have verified this person.
Nibona kusafe ukuthi abantu sesibajaha kanje baqhubeke benzele abantu base South Africa ukuthi no uyabona njengamanje bebeqhubeka benza ukuthi sebengenza noma yini ngoba bayabona ukuthi siyabalwini
akukho safe kodwa use the correct procedure ukuze kube right yonke into.
Kani siphuthele message
hayi nangu uyayithola inkulumo
usasake maphoyisa so so check ukuthi basakhona kuyoba station commander wasesikunemo failed siyabonga mfethu
inyanga bafethu ivoliwe ngaze naso station zoyiconfirm on part ngezi ngoba abantu abaningi
kwakunenkinga sizoza nje sizoconfirm kusasa sobesina ngokuqebela sobesina ngesonto sobesina so niyasebenza mfethu siyabonga nyawo
area yakho
siyabonga mfethu siyabonga right so we have a problem when
tomorrow we got an operation.
Tomorrow. So if you find foreigners here tomorrow, that means your station commander will be failing his job.
We're going to do Romans and we're going to do this place here.
Yeah. So tomorrow we won't find them here. We are going to do it.
Yeah, we're going to come here tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I think I'll take your number so that. Okay, guys. But again. Bazofika bazokwenza operation kusasa amaphoyisa mase akhiphe wonke amafoni don't lay down ina no 100% ama-foreigners 100% akekho umuntu osebenzayo la omuntu wase-South Africa so bazoyenza operation kusasa ibona bazoyenza operation so silindele bona-ke
I'm outside my diner.
number yakho ngizocontact sibe in contact but sina sobala for 7 days
Yeah, no, we're going to do an operation here tomorrow.
Mani, yazi maye bese singena la inkinga ekhona ukuthi niyasidayisa ngifuna siye sodwa engabe mesingena endaweni singena sonke yebo ukuthethe thina niphoso ngene endaweni sasingene sonke imisebenzi yenu so complaints lithiwa siyangena endaweni singena sonke Amandla complaints into ezakalayo manje sikhulume kukhona la amaphoyisa Amandla kukhona amaphoyisa ase-sickname namaphoyisa asemeyivini so amaphoyisa athe kusasa labantu bazobe bengasekho abesho Amandla Mandla. Complex, ngani ngilalela. I-Labour Laws Enforcement ilapho 7 days. Akulona usuku lanamhlanje kuphela ukuthi sifikile siyahamba. Siqale ngomsombuluko unesibili unesithathu ngoba sila namhlanje. Silapho 7 days. And inkampani eziningi sezisinikezile njengoba sizothatha ama-CV. Sasa bazobeqala abantu manje bazobeqala abantu. Siyafuna futhi ukuthi mase bezoqala imidi ibe khona so ukuthi izoyibona esikhulumayo ukuthi asikhulumi nje ngoba sifuna ubonakale ngasikhona umsebenzi esiwenzayo. You understand? So komplex njengamanje sizoyibeka emaphoyiseni kodwa azosebenzisana nathi. Kusasa nani nizobe nikhona nasizobe sikhona. Abantu uma ngabe ngomsombuluko nizobe nibona ama-foreigner eRoman Peters ningaphinde nijoyine imashe LLE ngokuqamba manje. You understand ama-comrades? Njengamanje sizoshaya igwitsho ngicela suka ama-flag manje comrades.
One is off. Ama-foreigner abekhona before. Okay, njengoba abaseka. Bapha abantu abaqashwe kabusha, bafika abasha. Thank you, sir.
Nabantwana bethu sabazala kudala bazoze bazomaketha nathi. Nina niqasha abantu bokufika. So, ngoba sikwenzile ukuthi sikhale South Africa government akazwanga. Saze senza i-march mice ya announce from April ukuthi ngoJune kube ukuthi kube nge-30 June bebehambile abantu. Still we are still seeing about ama-foreigners bezongena ema-company wethu. So meaning you are failing us. By doing so, you are no longer waiting for Ramaphosa ukuthi asilwele. Siyayilwela. Le business park yonke angeke operate simply because we know ukuthi nama-foreigners la. I don't think it will be fair for other companies who are complying with Labour Relation Act and nakumthetho sekelo wezomqasha South Africa. But into esicelayo kini sicela uthathe ama-CV walawa bantu usithethe unama-foreigner amangaki ase alapha elonganeni yakho ekampanini yakho usitshela ukuthi uzowareplace ngabantu abangaki kulaba abantu abala. We are no longer submitting any memorandum. I-memorandum isubmithiwe South Africa years and years and saze saphinda saqala phansi kwathiwa from April ngo-30 June bese niqedile uclean up yonke into yethu. And two, sifuna i-data yokuthi la nisebenzisa yiphi i-criteria ukuqasha. Wona lama-foreigner niwaqashile niwatholaphi if ama-South African lihlele up and down nama-CV yingoba wanama ama-skill yingoba kuthiwa ama-skill la nibaqashela bona ukugibela etruck nolayisha i-off-road truck phambili uyophika nokupheka. Those are the scarce skills. It's hard impossible. So into esiyicelayo ukuze nikwazi ukuthi sisebenzisane ama-companies wenu a-operate ngendlela e-right ukuthi nisizwe nikwenze esikukhalelayo ukusiqashela abantu bethu base-South Africa. Again njengoba bona belaba abantu bengaka abase-Alexandra abantu base-River Park akekho umuntu wasethembisa la akekho umuntu wase-Kempton Park wakuphi kuphi. Lama company akhelwe yithi agadwe yithi kodwa to find out ukuthi kunomuntu osuka ethembisa kude kangaka uphethe siphi iskill esingekho la eAlexandra whereas banawo ama-companies go-Kempton Park wherever ukuya le go-Centurion those are ama-side wabo ubuhlungu esibhekene nabo la. So siyayisukumela njengamanje ukuthi-ke nina qashani laba bantu. This thing ebeyenzeka before yokuthi kuzothathwa ama-number wama-leader and emails address nithi nizoba nama-meeting. No, this time it won't happen because nina njengabaqashi ngoba nama-companies niyababhadala lawo ma-leaders la bantu besale bekhaya indlala ibamele babhadala ama-rent bafuna ukudla every now and then. I-cost of living e-South Africa ihigh. Laba bantu laba kusibo bokuzalwa la
nayi company ese-Springfield gcwele abantu bokufika babalekile-ke manje i-LLE bisifikile enye ingale
I-labour enforcement ke ingezinye zenhlangano ey'namandla kakhulu endabeni ey'phathelene nabasebenzi ngoba sebaze bavula ngisho iwebsite yabo la ukwazi ukuthi ungene khona ufake i-CV ufake wonke ama-qualifications akho nane-WhatsApp group banayo futhi uyakwazi ukuthi ungene khona mangabe ufuna umsebenzi bayinhlangano esiza kakhulu nje endabeni ey'phathelene nabasebenzi njengoba izolo bangene kwenye ikhampani laphana kuvele kwabaleka wonke umuntu bashiya ama-truck kanjalo siyacabanga ukuthi nani babukeli njengoba niyabona la ividiyo uma kukhona abantu abadinga umsebenzi nje umsebenzi omningi o-driver badingakala u-driver kakhulu kodwa abantu abaningi bengayifakela bona ama-CV bangene kwi-labour law enforcement ungene kuwebsite yabo ukwazi ukufaka i-CV yakho laphana ufaka ama-qualifications yonke inhlobo umsebenzi bayipostile laphana. Siyabonga ukubukela kwakho, sithole like, subscribe. Danko.